How to turn off two-step verification in Gmail account. Let's get started. Launch your Google app. Now click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Click on the option Manage your Google account. You will be directed to this page where you're gonna find an option. Head over to the option Security. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find the option of two-step verification. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter the password. Type in your password and then click on Next. Now from this page you are able to turn it off. Just click on the option of Turn off two-step verification. With that you will be good to go. So this way you can easily turn off two-step verification in Gmail account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.